Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we are going to show you how to remove and replace a spare tire kit in a 2009 Chevy Suburban. If you need this part or other parts for your car or truck, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. So to get to our tire tools, going over here, and there's a wing nut right here. Loosen up the wing nut. Pull our tire tools out. You can pull this off. As you can see, this is our old jack tools. This is our new jack tools from 1aauto.com. As you can see, the bags are similar. They are a little bit different. When you open these up, as you can see, the instructions are actually a lot bigger on the new one. There's a lot more in depth. And then when we take this stuff out, these tools look the same, have the same shapes. Those are our old ones. As you can see, the new ones are the exact same shapes. This is an updated design. It will make it easier to use when lowering the spare tire. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. We're going to reinstall our wing nut. Put this over here, slip the tools down in. Snug those down. Not rattling around. Now we're going to install this, slide this cover this way, and pop it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.